Hi everyone. I'd like to share a few more Egyptian Arabic expressions which I think are absolutely brilliant. One of them is dam khafif, where dam il. Dam is blood, khafif is light, and il is heavy. So his blood is light or his blood is heavy, which means he's a pleasant person, agreeable to be with, or totally the opposite. Another one is bikharaf. Literally, that means he's senile. So in other words, he's talking nonsense. And there are a couple that I've recently come across with, which I think are totally priceless. One of them is Naim fil asal. That means he's sleeping in the honey. He's absent-minded. He doesn't know what's going on. And another one is Aish fi mayt al batir. He's living in the water of the watermelon, if you like. So in other words, he's living in bliss. And as I've always said before, I love all these Egyptian Arabic expressions.